number 1. There is one horse. One horse. This is number 2. Here, there are 2 gavavas. 2 gavavas. You have a number 3. There are 3 bananas. 3 bananas. This is number 4. There are 4 pencils. 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one of here, number 5. There are 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. We have number 6. There are 6 ice creams. 6 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 7. There are 7 birds. 7 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Number 8 is this one here. There are 8 fishes. 8 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is number 9. There are 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls. The last number is learn to go in is number 10. There are 10 bags. 10 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hi friends, thanks for watching this video. See you soon next time in another fantastic video. Please subscribe our channel to receive more videos and learn much more in future.